Hi there, Nick here from Tech Radar. If you're finding it hard to pick the right movies to watch this month, then we're here to help. Here are our picks of what to watch this June only on Netflix Middle East. For the first time ever, comedian Joe Coy takes Netflix to the Philippines in his new special. Coy celebrates his heritage by telling jokes about life as a Filipino American while highlighting the culture of Manila and sharing the stage with some incredible guest performers.
But there's one language you all speak fluently. Karaoke.
From Academy Award winner Spike Lee comes the story of 4 African American vets who returned to Vietnam. Searching for the remains of their fallen squad leader and the promise of buried treasure, our heroes battle forces of man and nature while confronting the lasting ravages of the immorality of the Vietnam War. An Indian American competitor has won the prestigious Scripps National Spelling Bee for the past 12 years straight, making the trend one of the longest in sports history. This documentary chronicles the ups and downs of 4 Indian American students as they compete to realize their dream of winning the iconic tournament and what it means for the community.
Oh wait, can I start over?
As a final response to terrorism and crime, the US government plans to broadcast a signal making it impossible for anyone to knowingly commit unlawful acts. Graham Brick, a career criminal who was never able to hit the big score, plans to commit the heist of the century and the last crime in American history before the signal goes off. And those are our top picks of what to watch this month. For more recommendations and everything in the world of tech, stay tuned to techradar.com.